All right. Let's hold a Qi ball. In the Tai Chi form, the stork spreads wings is a nice movement, and we're going to do it like this as a Qigong set. Take your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, and we're like holding like a beach ball size between the hands, and we're going to roll the ball like this, and now right hand up over the head, left hand down. And we hold the ball, left hand's on the bottom, and roll the ball until left hand's on top, right hand on the bottom. Condense, holding the beach ball, roll the ball, and expand. Let's go ahead and inhale, roll the ball, exhale. And inhale, I bend the knees slightly here, gathering the chi, roll the ball, exhale. I stand just a little taller, feeling the energy above and below. Energy above the head, energy below the feet. Roll the ball, expand, connect. Inhale, gather the chi, roll the ball, exhale. Inhale. Gather the ball, feel the energy inside of you. Ball rolls, and feel the energy in the space around you. And energy comes in and circulates, energy goes out, and we feel connected. And just feel the rhythm of that internal energy, external energy. Energy condenses and consolidates. Energy expands and connects. Very nice. Last one. Hold the chi ball, pulse. Pulse the energy back and forth. Energy is becoming ignited, starting to circulate. All right, let's review some of our movements. We have parting the horse's mane. Take left hand over to, I'm sorry, your right hand over to the left hip. Left hand on top. And then we part the horse's mane. And now your left hand's going to circle by the face. Right hand circles around. And part the horse's mane. All right, so now here's your left hand, here's your right hand. Bottom hand, that right hand goes right by the face. Left hand circles around, you're turning from your center and then parting the horse's mane. Circular movement to start. Two big circles and a more linear diagonal movement to finish. So we have a yin, the circles. Yin turns into yang, the straight, more linear line. And then inhale, yin, and the exhale, yang. Good, and just feel the movement coming from the hips and the waist. The movement is generated from the hips and the waist. Left hand across the face, right hand circles, right hand on top of the left, and then open. And now that right hand coming over on the bottom, left hand on top, and a diagonal parting the horse's mane. Oh, this is good for your right, left brain. That is one of those aspects of body movement and mechanics that helps the brain to age well. These movements that create some exercise, or as sometimes it's referred to as brain gymnastics. When you cross the midline and doing movements like this, your brain gets stronger, more neurological connections are happening. Last one. Now extend that left hand, right arm behind, repulse the monkey. Push through. Both arms up. Inhale. Exhale. And a deep breath. Repulse the monkey. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, gather energy from the universe. Exhale, let it flow through you. Repulse the monkey especially connects to our liver and gallbladder meridian lines, helping us to push away mental stress, stay open to guidance and energy from the universe. Good. Nice deep breath. And coming down. Let's do brush knee and twist. And that's this one circle, right? The right hand, let's say he does this big circle. Do it again. Big circle with the right hand, like we're going to block or brush the knee. At the same time, this right hand makes a circle. The left hand goes behind you and pushes forward. Okay, now left hand, make that circle with the left, right hand behind, push forward. Good. Right hand circle, left behind, and brush knee and twist. Left hand circle, right hand gathers from behind, brush knee and twist. Notice the circular movements here and then a more linear movement. Circular movement, linear movement. And inhale and exhale. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Good. Coming into embracing the tree. Arms round. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's not part of the embracing the tree movement. All right. Embrace the tree. Let's do now from here cloudy hands. So go ahead, drop right hand down. Shift the weight to your left. Turn your hips left. Change the hands. And we shift the weight, turn in the hips. And shift the weight, turn in the hips. Cloudy hands. Back and forth. This should feel familiar to you guys now. We've done quite a few cloudy hands in our Tai Chi sets. Shifting the weight left and right. Good. Arms nice and relaxed. Little weight shift left and right, feeling the hips and the waist freed up, the energy swirling through the hips, rising up through the spine, and then it manifests out through the arms. Good. And now come back to the center, holding, embracing the tree. Tailbone just drops down. Knees slightly bent, feeling grounded. Elbows below the shoulders and the wrists. And the top of the head, feel it as if it's suspended from the universe above you. Just remembering some of those principles that Master Yang had suggested, crown suspended from the universe. Feeling grounded and connected to the earth below. Slow, relaxed breathing. Feeling your body like a tree, like a strong, powerful tree, connected to the universe above, connected to the earth below. And the breath is like the tree absorbing the light and energy from nature all around. Now feel your structure. Feel your body structure aligned with the earth, aligned with the universe above, and we're breathing in energy. Now, Tai Chi and Qigong are sort of a moving structural practice. We're just going to move this structure in various patterns to create more energy movement. But in essence, we're holding a very similar structure, nice long spine, grounded to the earth, drawing in and circulating the energy from around us. Take 3 more deep breaths. Good, and hands float down. And just close your eyes, hands to the sides, and pay attention to your body. Breathe slow and deep. Feel the chi circulating in your meridians.